Hello investees, this is the newest and the last residential pre-selling condo which is si Uptown Modern na located sa Uptown BGC. Ano bang meron dito? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Find the best property in the Philippines with Lux Manila. Hello investees, this is Uptown Modern, the tallest residential building in Uptown BGC na merong 54-story high with a floor-to-ceiling glass window. Ang kagandahan pa dito investees is hindi tayo makakaranas ng any blackouts kasi si Uptown Modern has a 100% backup power. Wow! Amazing! Uptown Modern will be having a hotel-like amenities, sky gardens, and roof gardens for the best views. We still in introductory price, no down payment, and zero interest. Tara investees, let's plan your ideal home.